everybody. Craig here, and I just wanted to tell you if you're looking for a side hustle, you're a senior citizen or a stay at home mom or dad, you've landed in the right place. Just watch the video below and click the link at the bottom, and we'll see you on the other side. It's a great program. We're really excited to have you with us.
The Amazon Influencer course is designed to help individuals leverage the Amazon platform to create a successful online business. This course offers step-by-step guidance on how to become an Amazon influencer by building a unique brand and engaging with audiences effectively. Participants will learn strategies for curating content, growing their social media presence, and driving traffic to their Amazon storefront. The course covers essential topics such as affiliate marketing and monetization techniques tailored for influencers. Kathleen, the course creator, shares her extensive experience and insights to empower students to achieve their financial goals. The program includes interactive elements, allowing students to ask questions and receive personalized feedback. Enrollees also gain access to a supportive community of fellow influencers for networking and collaboration. Overall, the Amazon Influencer course equips aspiring influencers with the tools and knowledge needed to succeed in the competitive online marketplace.
Thanks for watching the video. Please click the link below if you'd like to know more. That's our affiliate link. And please like and subscribe if you want more videos like this sent to your inbox. We appreciate it. Have a great day.